Good morning, students. In the third module of NTSC second paper SAT exam, I am taking your mathematics subject. Now, in this section of quadrilateral and area of parallelograms, today's subtopic will be the properties of a polygon. Now, first property is if there is a polygon of n sides, n is greater than or equal to 3, then n minus 2 triangles with a common vertex is to be formed. For example, I am here drawing a polygon A, B, C, D, E, and this polygon has 5 sides. See here. Now clearly it has sides n is equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So n is equal to 5 here, and he says that number of triangles with a common vertex, how it will be drawn, it is like this. When I join A with C and A with D, then number of triangles will be n minus 2, that is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 1, 2 and 3. 3 triangles are formed. Now come to the second property. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon n sides will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is equal to n minus 2 into 2 multiplied with 90 degree. That is equal to 2n minus 4 right angles. Now for this one, again I am taking this very example when n is equal to 5. Second property says that interior angle will be equal to 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 4, and this thing we will multiply with 90 degree. That is equal to 10 minus 4, then multiply with 90 degree. That is equal to 6 multiply with 19 is equal to 540 degree. So sum of the interior angles, it will be completely written as like this. Sum of interior angles is equal to 540 degree. Then third property is if there is a regular polygon of n sides, then each interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 upon n multiplied with 180 degree. That is, each interior angle is equal to 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 4 divided by 5 multiplied with 90 degree. And this we will get as 6 upon 5 multiplied with 90 degree, that is equal to 144 degree. If we see carefully here, last one 3, each interior angle is given by this formula. Each interior angle is equal to 2 multiplied with 5 minus 4 divided by 5, that is equal to further multiply with 90 degree is equal to 6 upon 5 multiplied with 90 degree is equal to 144 degree. Now we come to the fourth property, that is sum of all interior angles is equal to 144, gives the each interior angle, and sum of interior angles we have calculated in second is equal to 540 degree. Now sum of all exterior angle will be equal to, now here it is remains same, 360 degree. Now see carefully. Sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. That is, if we consider this one as exterior angle, here this as exterior angle, this as exterior angle, then this as exterior angle, and further we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more angle here complete, it will be this one. Their total sum of these 1, 2, all these angles will be 360 degree. Now come to property number 5 of polygons. It is number of diagonals of a polygon is equal to n in bracket n minus 1 bracket close divided by 2 minus n. Number 6. In a given polygon of n sides, the greater is the value of interior angle and smaller is the exterior angle. See here on the board, in any polygon we have angles in this form. This one is interior angle and this one is exterior angle. Now see here, sum of exterior angle plus interior angle, their total is always 180 degree, and interior angle is always less than exterior angle. This is what he wants to say, that in any polygon of n sides we will have this property. Now in the morning, in the second module, we have studied number of sides and the name of the polygon so formed. Now I am extending that table to further one, that if a polygon has 3, 4, 5, 6 so on number of sides, then what will be their sum of all the angles, each interior angle, each exterior angle, and number of diagonals so formed by it. Now if we see carefully on the board, its whole picture will be clear by looking at the table very carefully. Number of sides have one column, then polygon number 2, sum of all the angles number 3, each interior angle number 4, each exterior angle number 5 and number of diagonals 6. All the 6 properties of polygon I have explained it with the help of a table. Now let us consider the first case. When a polygon has number of sides 3, then it will be called a triangle, and sum of these 3 angles will be 180 degree because it is a triangle, and each interior angle will be 360 degree divided by it will be 180 degree divided by 3, that is equal to 60 degree, and 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree, and number of diagonals is 0 because a triangle has no diagonal. That is why I have completed this strip. Now come to second one. In a quadrilateral, we have number of sides 4. See on the table, number of quadrilateral side is 4. It has sum of all the angles 360 degree, each interior angle 90 degree, each exterior angle 90 degree, and number of diagonals is 2. Similarly, when a pentagon have 5 sides, then every pentagon has 5 sides, therefore it has sum of all the angles 540 degree, each interior angle 180 degree, each exterior angle 72 degree, because sum of these two is always 180 degree, and number of diagonals it will have 5. A hexagon, see here, a hexagon has 6 sides. So sum of all the angles will be 720 degree, each interior angle will be 120 degree, each exterior angle will be 60 degree, and number of diagonals will have 9. Similarly, case of heptagon. A heptagon has 7 sides. It has sum of all the angles 900 degrees. Each interior angle is 120 degree, 4 by 7 degree, and each exterior angle is 51, 3 by 7 degree. If we add them, we will get 180 degree complete as the sum of interior angle and exterior angle, and it has 14 diagonals. Now we come to octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. Sum of all the angles is 180 degree, and each interior angle is 135 degree, and each exterior angle will be 45 degree, and it has 20 diagonals. If we see carefully, we can revise it also, we can remember it also again. An octagon has 8 sides. Sum of all the angles 180 degree, each interior angle 135 degree, exterior angle 45 degree, and number of diagonals is 20. And similarly, we have about nonagon and decagon. Every nonagon has 9 sides. Its sum of angles is 1260 degree, and each interior angle is 140 degree, and each exterior angle is 40 degree, and total number of diagonals it will have 27 degree. Finally, a decagon has 10 sides. A decagon has 10 sides, and sum of all the angles is 40. Each interior angle is 144 degree, each exterior angle is 36 degree, and number of diagonals it have 35 degree. So in this way, I have constructed a table for you to memorize these 6 properties. A polygon, if we know have how many sides, then with the help of the above mentioned 6 properties, we can solve it completely by using the above mentioned formulae also. Thank you. Now in this module, I have explained you all the basic properties of a polygon, its sides and angles relationship, their complete formulae, which can help us to solve our questions completely. Thank you. I hope you will learn them completely. Thank you very much once again.